Lewa mako mai le mai nga penga ai ku yanga pulu pa yanga fai ku wa pa yanga. Lewa mai su ai le va kau ke ma le va kau ma. Ai le fau. Lewa mako a me le fau le fau fai ga ku au. Lewa mai lu ai le ko ngo le kai. Roko wa kau lewa mako fa ki ko ai le vai ma le langa ma va le lu pe ma lu penga. La uli me le manga la fa nga ma venga. Wow! Sila wa ma tau. Ulai sala we.
Amaya! Abikia wakasi!
Talofa lava, kia ora, good morning everybody. It is a great privilege and a tremendous honour to be with you all here today. Can I say to you, Mr Prime Minister, thank you to you and to all of your government and to all of the people of Samoa for the very warm welcome that you have extended to me and my delegation. Can I say to the great people of Apia village, thank you for this great honour. We are now connected forever. And I just want to say the honour itself represents I think the honour itself represents the very special bond between our two great countries of Samoa and New Zealand. As has been alluded to in the speeches today, it is not just a relationship, we are family. And we are very, very proud of this relationship and this family. Can I tell you, we are also incredibly proud of our Samoan Kiwis who have come to New Zealand, have worked incredibly hard, achieved and contributed so much to our great country, and have enriched it and made it much, much better. And I know for all of us and for the Prime Minister and myself and our governments, we are determined to continue to build on the great relationship we have today, to make it even better, to take it to even greater heights. So again, can I say thank you very much for this great honour. It's a tremendous privilege and I very much appreciate it. Manuia.
Lawana pisa lawana kalo ya la kachile mawayalo. Haubaya. Kaukela wa biya ni pala biya la malaku kokati atamo.
Tai lau ava lea le tua. Me tele tai au, ai le lau tai au. Tele aso e le lau aso, ai tau tala aso le so. Ia le tua ilo na lofa malo na angalelei, o whātau nuu lau o le whāmoe moe le so. E oina tātou whetahai, pia ngai malu i tau o le soifuanga. Ia e tā pena e le tua le whātau nuina o le tai au malasu. Mori le nganga whāwhitai tele le tātou whianga i Apia. Pa ia lava le ia losina, ma le vaina le lepa, ma le whaifalo sa le balasi. Ma malu le whāle tolu. No foi tua inga i atu i Samau, ma le tātou nuu. Whāwhitai lo tau taulanga osi o wa Samoa le so. E lena so na to ia tu mpala pala whapenei. Ai ala na mafua o le moni o lau tau tua mo Samoa. Leo whaatino i le so o wal whaafotu tupu mo le whaafotu le bali. Le fionga le li pale mie o le malo, New Zealand. Tionga ia Tuisinavemaulumoto'otua. Honorable Prime Minister, Tuisinavemaulumoto'otua, you have said it all. We are no longer friends. We are family. And families are forever. Politics can end tomorrow, but families goes out beyond the grave. And that's how Samoa consider New Zealand and Samoa relationship. We are here with great honor, respect, to receive you in Samoan's hands as we consider New Zealand as our home as well. So on behalf of every Samoa in Samoa and in the world, including New Zealand, we bless you and we remember you and your government in prayers. Thank you for coming once again. Soifu manuia fa manuia le tua. Ia manuia le tātou tai amalas.